Audi's about practicality and logic. Everything on the second row seats makes sense. Let's take a look. The first thing you could do is move the seats forward and backwards. The second thing you could do is recline your seats. Another great feature will be your armrest and your cup holders. If you have any longer items, you'll be able to press this button without having to put the other seat down and have more space to do it. Another thing you could do is fold the rear seat and make sure you hear the click. You can also put the second row seats down by pulling this lever. Make sure you hear the sound and pull the lever up. You can also put the headrest up by pressing this button and putting it down. Thank you for watching. Until next time.